Today on the Stay at Home Chef, I'm showing you how to make one pot chicken, broccoli, and rice. This is one of those easy all-in-one dinners that's perfect for hectic, busy weeknights, and it's really inexpensive to make as well. Start by cutting 1 to 1.5 pounds of chicken breasts into bite-sized pieces. While you're at a cutting board, you'll also want to dice 1 white or yellow onion and prep 4 cups of broccoli florets. Now, when you buy them in the bags, you never know what sizes you're gonna get. And some of these are really just too big to eat in one bite, so we're just gonna cut them down to size. Then grab a 6-quart pot and get it heating over medium heat. We're gonna melt 2 tablespoons of butter and get 2 tablespoons of olive oil heating in there as well. Once that's all heated up, you can add in your chicken and we're gonna get this browning. Season the chicken with about half a teaspoon each of salt and black pepper, and then we're gonna just give this a little browning. It doesn't have to be cooked all the way through quite yet. Next, we're gonna add in our onion and get that cooking and softening up right alongside our chicken. Onion will take about 5 to 7 minutes to soften. Then we're gonna add in 1.5 cups of long grain white rice and 1 tablespoon of minced garlic and toast this for about 90 seconds. Then you also want to add in 3 tablespoons of flour because that is going to be the thickening agent for our sauce. Next, pour in 2.5 cups of chicken broth and 2 cups of milk. Add in the broccoli florets because we want those to boil along with our rice. And we'll season with 1 teaspoon each of dried thyme and oregano. Give it a little stir so everything's combined. Bring this to a boil over high heat. Once it is boiling, you're gonna reduce the heat to medium-low and pop a lid on and let it cook for about 15 to 20 minutes until that rice is perfectly cooked through. Crack open the lid every once in a while and give it a stir just to make sure that the rice isn't sticking to the bottom of the pan. Now, once that rice is done cooking, you're gonna grab 2 cups of shredded cheddar cheese, and we're gonna stir 1 cup directly in with our rice. Get that all melty and gooey, and then we'll save the rest for placing on top. I like to have a nice thick layer of cheese on top so that when you spoon it out, you get that gooey cheese pull. Turn off the heat and pop the lid back on so that the steam will melt the cheese on top, and then you are ready to eat. Thanks for watching. You can find the full written recipe in the video description. Be sure to like and subscribe and check out the rest of our videos where you can find hundreds of restaurant quality recipes you can easily make at home. We'll see you later.